In a world bathed in black and white, a young couple stands smiling and hopeful before a gate. The year is 1934, and in the town of Giussano near Milan in Italy, Angelo and Giuseppina Molteni embark on a journey that will forever change the world of design. Fast forward to the 50s, when the first industrial machines arrive from Germany to make manufacturing processes quicker and better. Molteni&C gains complete control of the supply chain, from tree trunk to finished item. After the machine revolution comes the style challenge. In the 60s, northern Italian manufacturers joined forces to attract the world to Milan. Angelo Molteni was among the 14 founders of the first Salone del Mobile, 1961. Modern furniture made its debut. The Molteni&C story grows, its branches reaching beyond homes. Unifor and Citerio join the family, bringing the world of office design to the forefront. In the 80s, Dada took its place at the table. The only part that had been missing was the kitchen. And from the most prestigious residences to awe-inspiring contract projects, Molteni&C leaves its mark on the world stage. 2015 saw the inauguration of the Molteni Museum, designed by Jasper Morrison and reimagined by Ron Gillard in 2021, to showcase the company's products, prototypes and stories, while also looking towards the future. Throughout the following years, Italian craftsmanship meets the brilliance of international designers. Including Vincent van Duysen, Joe Ponti, Naoto Fukasawa and Jabu Puschelberg. Today, Molteni&C remains committed to its Italian heritage and to advancing the culture of quality living.